In today's video, I am going to teach you how to link Wix to Constant Contact email. To get started, sign into your Wix dashboard. Make sure you are in the correct site if you manage more than one, because the connection will be added to the site you are currently working on. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the left sidebar and find the Apps section. From there, open the App Market. This is where Wix lets you add integrations and tools that extend what your website can do. Inside the App Market, use the search bar to look for Constant Contact. When the results appear, choose the official Constant Contact app card. It is important to select the correct app so the connection is secure and works properly with your Wix site. Take a moment to confirm that you are opening the official listing before moving forward. After that, begin the install process by clicking Add to Site. Wix may show a permission screen before the app is added. Read through that screen carefully so you understand what access the app needs in order to connect with your site. When you are ready, click Agree and Add to grant permission and continue. This step allows Wix and Constant Contact to communicate with each other. Next, you will be prompted to log into your Constant Contact account. Enter your account details and continue through the sign-in process. Once you are signed in, Constant Contact will ask you to authorize the connection. Click Allow to approve the data sync between both platforms. This authorization is what links Wix to your Constant Contact email system and enables the integration to function correctly. After you allow access, the connection should complete automatically. If the page takes a few seconds to refresh, that is normal. Give it a moment for the setup to finish. Once connected, Wix and Constant Contact will be able to work together based on the app's available features and permissions. As a helpful tip, if something does not connect right away, double-check that you are signed into the correct Wix site and the correct Constant Contact account before trying again. In most cases, connection issues happen when the wrong account is active during setup. That covers everything you need to know.